Hi guys, welcome to our channel SRJ Chats. In the last video on Bitcoins, we discussed a bit about software wallets. For those who aren't familiar, please check the I button above. As I told you in the last video, a software wallet can be any computer software, website that stores Bitcoins online with private keys for its security. In today's video, I will be sharing some information regarding a software wallet called freebitco.in. So what is freebitco.in? It's an online Bitcoin faucet founded in 2013 which enables its users to earn as well as to store Bitcoins in its account after going through a sign up that is absolutely for free. Let's take a look into the freebitco.in website. On clicking the main menu on the top right corner, we can see options such as free BTC, multiply BTC, betting, premium, win a Lambo, earn BTC, lottery, rewards, refer, FAQ, profile, contest, stats, and finally the logout menu. Note that the green deposit and withdraw button is displayed at the top of every tab that I had mentioned above. So for depositing Bitcoins to your freebitco.in account, click the deposit button. They will be providing you a free deposit address which you can either paste to your clipboard or get scanned from QR code. You can retain your old deposit address by clicking on the old deposit address menu at the bottom of that page, or you can have a new one by clicking on the new deposit address menu. You can also buy Bitcoins from a vendor called localbitcoins.com by clicking the buy Bitcoins menu. In that the menu will be directing you into the localbitcoins.com website from where you can buy your Bitcoins. So let's go through the withdraw button this time. Freebitco.in provides 3 withdrawal options for your Bitcoins: auto, slow, and instant withdrawal. In auto withdraw, funds are released every Sunday along with a transaction fee after activating the auto withdraw button on the top. A countdown showing the next payout date will be displayed at the bottom. In slow withdrawal, funds are released 6 to 24 hours after the withdrawal request is submitted. Now in the instant withdraw, funds may be released in hardly 15 minutes after request. The minimum withdrawal for all the 3 modes of withdrawal is 30,000 satoshis or 0.0003 BTC. Now let's go through each tab one by one. In the free BTC tab, users can win up to $200 in free Bitcoins every hour by completing a simple CAPTCHA and clicking on the roll button. Next is the multiply BTC button. Here you can multiply your Bitcoins by playing a provably fair high-low game. For playing this game, you have to set a bet amount and bet high or low to win Bitcoins. There are two options for this kind of betting: manual and auto. Then comes the betting menu. Here you can bet on the latest events like football matches and win a share of prize pool in Bitcoins. You can see if now the Euro Cup is going on, and you can see in this button lots of matches coming on and you can bet on these match results. Next comes the premium menu, which provides a premium membership program in freebitco.in, which is partnered alongside with Funfair Technologies. Users can buy fun tokens, FUN, a utility token made by Funfair Technologies, and holding it into your freebitco.in account. If you maintain a balance of 30,000 satoshis or 0.0003 BTC in your freebitco.in account, you will receive a compounded daily interest credited in your account. That's interesting, right? They pay you at a decent annual rate of 4.08%. You can also participate in a weekly lottery draw to win big prizes by buying lottery tickets in the lottery tab. You can also win reward points for playing a free BTC role or a multiply BTC games. These reward points can be redeemed for prizes and bonuses in the rewards menu. Yeah, up to 10,000 free bitcoins you can redeem it directly into satoshis. That's also a good thing. Earn attractive commissions for referring users to free bitcoin. Guys, my referral id is given below. Please check out. Check your referral earnings in the refer tab. Then provides the FAQ features for your enquiries, profile tab for changing your profile settings, stats to check your personal statistics. Setting the notifications on for the free Bitcoin account, they will provide you with an email from freebitco.in, which is again loaded with exciting prizes. This mail will come daily to your email account, registered email account, and that will provide prizes in bitcoins, reward points, lottery tickets, and much more. Even though time consuming, freebitco.in is one of the most reliable options to start Bitcoin investments for free, holding a healthy track record since 2013 and a healthy Trustpilot score. So let's wind up, guys, with the review on freebitco.in account. So I will give a healthy star rating for this freebitco.in account. See you in the next video. So bye guys. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Bye.